bali Abanachi Ebina nigo byariganirie emeyega AOAO yo Gochengera rituko lyabo Ense Engima ekiombe kiobomo bw'Ense UN ase omusangerikano obo bakorete ase omwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2021 nigo baragerete rituko lya rero elio libe lyo Gochengerwa Ense Engima nekerenga yokoba omoyo na kubasegeta Abasubati basoe ase EBIGAMBERO munenchereyemo yo gotinya obokoreri bw'erichiko ase ntunda ya gatano bono korwa rituko elio lyabete likobekwa bene mwako yoiga nige kiombe kiobomo bw'Ense kegosegeta okobo kobokoreri bw'Abasubati ase amatongo aito munenchereyemo yo GOIKERANIA obokoreri gosokorengana ase omubaro bw'Abasacha n'Abasubati nomurikito Vincent Monda agotomanya.
Mildred Obura nomo Chief Magistrate aseritongo lya Bosongo gosekisi Law Courts naende nomo bwatani bw'ekiombe kya Abasubati bali Abanachi Ebina Ense Engima orosagia rwa Kenya aserituko lya rero nigale nomogoko koira libageri elio gotomasokeria omukia baro bubu n'ekiombe kya Abasubati bali Abanachi Ebina babwate.
Our mission is to ensure and to promote human rights and gender justice. We do this through various activities so that we ensure that justice is accessible and it is responsive. As an association, we have engaged in various activities, including mentorship, and not just mentorship for young girls, but we have also contributed to mentorship of women magistrates and judges. The association is an association of women judges and magistrates, and we also have a few gentlemen joining us, male judges joining us.
Asemeroberi yabo nigekorenga kwagacha ebinyoro bito ose society elio kero omonto omenyete aroro abwatiri ichiko goikeranu. Article 81 yerichiko lya Kenya lyo mwaka bw'ekiri 2010 ensemo ya kabere boigo nigegochika amang'ana 9 aikeraniwe ase obokoreri AOAO ase amatongo egento boigo Mildred agoteba amatongo aito aiga Kenya aikeranirie ekerengeke.
We have complied with the 2/3 gender rule. We have at least attained almost 50% representation of women in the judiciary, and women are constantly being promoted and constantly delivering decisions that are responsive and take care of the local community.
Barobo kuna Abasubati Abanachi Ebina nabo bali neki bagochengera ritukeri lyabo ebale mutwe koigerera obwene bw'abantu ase richiko.
We have engaged in various activities. We have gone to the rural areas where we have trained communities on human rights, on gender justice, and we have also trained them on family law, succession matters, and various aspects of the law. We have contributed to gender sensitive laws. We have also contributed to protection of rights of the vulnerable in society, and here we are talking about not just the girl child but the boy child. We are talking about the elderly in society who sometimes are deprived of their rights to property, rights to health. We have protected and promoted the rights of the young mothers and survivors of SGBV. We have been collaborating with various stakeholders in society, so we have not done this on our own. And the judiciary has also been very supportive in this area. So basically, as a member of the association, I pride myself in the fact that we have been able to go to the ground, mashinani, to meet the people and to speak to them, hear their views, appreciate what they feel about the services we deliver as a court, and also ensuring that they understand what we do, the court processes, so that one does not lose on their rights, because even time is a factor when one is seeking justice. So if one does not know their rights, then they are likely to be affected negatively. They are likely to not only lose their property, but their dignity.
Korengana ne kiombe kiobomo bw'Ense UN ekeroto komorekera omubaro bw'Abasubati bali Abanachi Ebina ense ya Europe netangaine ase birengo bya 54 asemia yabwatiwa amo ense ya America ase birengo bya 50 yamo asemia chinsemo cha Oceania, Africa na Asia nigo chibwate 30 yamo asemia 30% na boiga 29%. Ebiorokererio kurwa ebengi Ense ase chinse 153 ne chinse 25 chioka chibwata Abasubati buna omonene bwa Abanachi Ebina ase Chief Justice. Koreng'ana ne ekiombe kia Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development ekio kebwataranĩtie chinse 35 ekio chire na eganga yogokinia ebirengo bia obogima ase chinse echio nigo kegoteba Abasubati nigo bakora goika 33 ase 100 ya oboraya ase amatongo ya chinse echio. Ekiombe kia International Development of Law Organization ase chiripoti chiabo chia kerengaki nigo gekoinyoria buna erio goikerania obokoreri obuya ase chikoti chiaito goika chenda erigererirwe boikeranu. Ingoripoteri Ensoko TV kurwe kaunti ya Nyamira, Nchengoroko Vincent Monda.